Did I scare you?
No, I saw you.
Look at him. Yo, gang, what is up? Look at all the homies we got outside. Yes, sir. Boy, Nate going crazy, dude. Let's go. Boy, hopping on the quad. Hey, you a quad rider?
I beat him in that one already.
Oh, y'all racing?
He said, yeah, he wanted to race me in this. He said he got me, I got him already.
Damn.
And then swap drivers and I still win.
Can I join?
Yeah, I won in that one. Yeah.
No, y'all racing again right now?
We're gonna race again now.
Let me join you.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, we're getting a little race. YFZ, DRZ. Sand in my eye. Bro, he was going too. Oh my god, dude. The way you were shifting that thing just it looks so funny. So hey, when you were on the DRZ, you beat him?
Yeah, you want to see it again?
Yeah. I low-key do.
Get this place hot though. You don't have to get pissed because we race.
No, that's true. What, the DRZ?
Yeah. Hell yeah, get on that shit, hell yeah.
No, I'm good right now. I mean, I grew up on a DRZ. that's my home.
I can ride all the bikes. Well, I always like my bike.
Yeah, the DRZ?
Yeah. So smooth.
It's smooth as hell, yeah. Everyone's popping up, bro. Let's go. We got the Monster Edition. A bit too clean, goddamn. Boy got you got a little Lilo and Stitch, bro. Oh, that's funny. I used to have like one of those on the back of my car. I don't know if it's rice or not, but back in the day, like everyone used to have like a little toy hanging from the back of their car. Ooh, we just cut them off, man. Hey, you gonna let them cut you off like that? Beep, 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 beep. Boy got the carbon fiber, bro. Carbon fiber graphics on his DRZ, dude. Let's go. I wonder if that's real carbon fiber or not. Let's go. Boy, hitting some freaking donuts. Let's get it, bro. You gotta love the lot vibes. Bro, I just got here and it's already like hyped, bro. Everyone's getting me hyped up, man. Hey, is that real carbon fiber?
No, it's hydro dip.
Hydro dip?
Yeah.
You bought it like that though? Or you okay, okay. I was about to say, if that was real carbon fiber. That's real carbon fiber? I'm about to scrape in your back fender with some real carbon fiber would be gnarly. Let's go. We're flipping off. YFZ. Ooh, we got the cone. This is a swerve cone right here. We're gonna be swerving that thing soon. Let's pull her up. Woohoo! Let's go. Woohoo. Let's go. That 250. Woo! Dude, I want to try out that 250. As you guys know, I've been wanting a 250 The 450 is just so much power. How's it going?
What's up, bro?
It's all good, or is it messed up?
No back brakes. I want to go ride. I just turned it on.
Shee! That's sketchy. You got no brakes, bro. Oh, they're bleeding her out. Hopefully they can get her going. Bro, but look at the freaking gang outside, bro. Sick. Freaking yellow Banshee looking clean as hell. Hopefully he can get his brakes together, but to be honest, in the previous video he didn't even use the brakes, so he sort of don't need them. Bro, homie's brake line is like hanging off. Yeah, everyone getting it though. Let's get it. Yeah. Hey! Yo! Why? Your brake line!
Yeah.
Why don't you like zip tie it?
That's this guy's bike. Oh.
Why don't you
Because this one's bad. You see how it's...
No, why don't you just zip tie it?
Oh, because he lost that clamp that goes there.
No, just zip tie it. You don't, it's not scary, like it flopping around? You said whatever.
Oh, no.
Is that your bike?
No.
Oh, now you're, oh.
No, I ride that shit yesterday when I felt the tires gonna fall out.
Oh, I feel like it's scary with the brake flopping.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Hit the loop. Let's go. Oh, we got the mohawk on the helmet and everything. That's what we talking about. On the FC07. Big sport bike life out here. Shout out Brian 636, even though that's not 666. Dude, I swerved them so hard right there. Yes, sir. Did I scare you?
No, I saw you.
I was like, I'm gonna swerve right past them.
I was like, I'm gonna catch up to him.
Yeah. Bro, it's sick. We got all the dirt bikes, some DRZs out here. I don't even know what that is. 250s. Let's go. Everyone getting it. Woo, flag in the head. Woo! Boy, going Tokyo Drift out here, dude. Let's go. Tokyo Drift, baby. I was saying, you're going Tokyo drifting out here. Your arms are good? Hell yeah. Let's go. You see the cone right there? Little swerve cone. Swerve that boy. Woohoo, little no-hander. Y'all know the vibe. Bro, that's the cone, bro. Hey! That's the swerve cone, bro.
Well,
Yeah.
oh,
You're good, you're good. Woo. Yo, it's a hot freaking day. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. I freaking love you. Till next time. Peace.